Welcome to Hamanda.
Nando babo kabalen, dakal salamat Mamlu for inviting us. Actually guys, sa tamong yun king Hamanda Hotel, located dyan kining Souq. So who would have thought na ikatamo ng makabisita na kining Souq Restaurant, apo kitang impatso. Atin niya palang hotel. Atin lang mo naman Villa King Gulot, which we are going to show you guys. So abayan nyo kami po kining vlog ini. Guys, na-api niling Hamanda Hotel. Currently, they have like 6 rooms. Price range during rooms starting at 2,500 up until 4,500. These rooms are gonna be available at Airbnb and of course some walk-ins. If you're interested to book here, din lang 50% off if you book this December up until January 30th. Balang magpabook ka and then you can schedule it any time of the year. King year 2020, it's gonna be 50% off.
Hi, welcome to Hamanda Hotel. My name is Andreas Lundin. I'm a Swedish interior designer and furniture designer. I've been in the Philippines for many years and this is my first local project. The name Hamanda comes from my 2 daughters that still live in Sweden, and their name is Hanna and Amanda. This is one of the rooms. I tried to find a way of interpreting Filipino style, but in a different way, in my interpretation, using local materials like cocoa lumber for the roof. All the decorations comes from different companies around Pampanga. Each room will have their own identity, but still, I think something familiar for all Filipinos.
Ito guys, so for more information, you can check out their website at hamandahotel.com or check out their Instagram account, Hamanda_@_Souq. Kini naman gulot na ning Souq Restaurant, guys. Who would have thought, again, atin 3 rooms or 3 villas, very suitable for family weekend getaway. Ito na, so this is the villa apin ingawsan ng Tropicalstay.ph. This is villa number 1, I think. So per room yata almost the same pero luwa-luwa lang beds maya. So this one has parang 2 single beds right here. Check out the bathroom. Bowl, ano, super, shall I say, spacious, super spacious. And then here's the exciting part. Each villa, at the back of the villa or the room, it's like Bali in Indonesia style na backyard. And then natinta mong wala mong malating swimming pool or jacuzzi. I can imagine like you sitting there having some drink or with your family just having fun on the weekend. During the weekday, each villa is 5,500 pesos, siguro 2 to 4 persons. And then on the weekends, guys, 6,500 pesos per night. Nga pala, included nila rin breakfast ka rin. So if you need additional bed, something like that, of course, you can also ask. You can also ask from the hotel, syempre. Ito pin guys, so who would have thought in the middle of Sabiantana, in the middle of nowhere, at the back of a restaurant or second floor na ning restaurant atin pong hotel and atin balamong tropical stay kini San Fernando such as this so nung interested kayo pong mag-book karela, make sure to check the fan page or the link na we'll be providing down below, or you can contact them. Kita rin numbers na we'll be providing down below. Let's all experience something different kay ni San Fernando. And thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.